Good morning students, welcome back to the class. Today I want to discuss the block 2 already we discussed. Again I want to revise. The block name is fruits and seeds. Mainly in this block we have 4 topics. What are those? Edible seeds, the role of a seed in plants and fruits and vegetables and fleshy fruits and dry fruits. The first topic is edible seeds. Edible seeds. What's the meaning of edible seeds? Some seeds can be eaten. Those are called as edible seeds. The edible seeds are sorted out into 4 groups. Cereals. Cereals means these are also called as grains. And grains, pulses, oil seeds and spices. Grains. What are the examples of the grains? Rice, wheat and pulses. Rajma, dal. All varieties of dals are related to pulses. And third one, spices. Coriander, mustard. And fourth one, oil seeds. We can make the oil from these seeds. What are those again? Mustard, almond, sesame. In the previous class, I have shown all the varieties of the seeds. Okay, here grains, rice, wheat, pulses, rajma and dal, spices, coriander, mustard, oil seeds, mustard, almond and sesame. Which type of seeds we can eat? It can be eaten raw. Which seeds? Almond and groundnut. We can add here groundnut also. And one more question. Which seed is a spices? Which seed is a spice and oil seed as well? What is that? Mustard. So this is about the edible seeds. This is the first topic. And the second topic is role of a seed in plants. Role of a seed in plants. Most of the plants coming out from the seeds. When a seed gets the right amount of temperature, water and air, it starts growing into a new plant. First of all, when a seed comes out, when a seed breaks, the root comes out. The root fixes the plant into the soil. Then the leaves and the stem comes out. The leaves and the stem comes out. Okay, this process is called seed germination. What is this process? Seed germination. Okay. The third topic is fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. See. If anybody gives many things, how can you sort out it is a fruit and it is a vegetable? How do you know which is fruit and which is vegetable? What is the difference? A fruit has seeds inside. Fruits have seeds inside. And vegetables don't have seeds inside. They don't have seeds inside. So now I will give few examples. Just you can mention, you can think which is fruit and which is vegetable. Okay? So potato, tomato, brinjal, carrot, beetroot, bottle gourd. Okay? Now we will see. Okay, here, potato. A potato is a fruit or vegetable. Does a potato have seeds inside? No, it doesn't have any seeds inside. So it is a vegetable. And tomato. A tomato has seeds. Does a tomato have seeds inside? Yes, a tomato has seeds inside. So it is a fruit. Does a brinjal have seeds inside? Yes, a brinjal has seeds inside. So it is a fruit. And a carrot, does a carrot have seeds inside? No, it doesn't have any seeds inside. So it is a vegetable. And beetroot also Beetroot also doesn't have any seeds inside, so it is a vegetable. Bottle gourd has seeds inside, so it is a fruit. So now, how did you sort out fruits and vegetables? Fruits have seeds inside. So potato, carrot, and beetroot, all these are vegetables. How did you find out this? These are all modified stems and roots. A potato is a modified stem. A stem modified into a vegetable. And here also beetroot and carrot, these two are modified roots. Okay. So the fourth topic is fleshy fruits and dry fruits. Fleshy fruits and dry fruits. Mainly the fruits are differentiated into two types of fleshy fruits and dry fruits. What are the examples of fleshy fruits? Fleshy fruits: apple, mango, papaya, watermelon. And dry fruits, example: almond, cashew, groundnut. Okay, so then take these two examples. How can you differentiate fleshy fruits and dry fruits? Apple, mango, papaya, watermelon, these are all fleshy fruits. A fleshy fruit has a soft part inside that is called as pulp. It is so sweet, which likes beer. Next, second one, almond, cashew and groundnut, these are all dry fruits. It doesn't have any pulp inside. And also, so this is the main difference to find out which is fleshy fruit and which is dry fruits. Some fruits have only some seeds, but some fruits have many seeds. Okay, apple has only few seeds. Mango, it has only one seed. Papaya has many seeds, and watermelon also have many seeds. Okay, almond, cashew and groundnut, fleshy fruits. These are all dry fruits. So this is block 2. I hope you understood. Okay.